How are you doing?
Huh?
What's your name?
Steven?
Steven? So my name's Detective Nicosia. I'm just kind of investigating this case. Do you want to come out here and we can come talk?
Sure.
Okay.
That's okay with you?
Yeah. You want to take a seat?
Sure.
I'll just stand. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on, man. Like, what's your involvement with all of this today?
Well, I've met Ben the last week and like a few days ago or whatever. And kind of a fan, kind of not. But I saw posts for him to meet up and go do stuff. And kind of that's what I've been doing. Helping him with his video or whatever.
Okay.
I've been told everything we've been doing is not illegal. Every time the cops told me to walk away and leave, I did. Other than that, I've never spoke to any other police officer.
Okay. What have you done for Ben?
I've only filmed with the camera.
Okay, so you're the cameraman.
But I've never been on the property. I've been in a car filming, and I've been on public sidewalk, and that's literally all I've done for him.
Okay.
If you need to know any other information about the video, I can give more about it, but...
So you met Ben via social media then?
Friend through friend, basically.
Okay, and then he said, hey, I need some help with something. And then you said, okay, I'll help you. And you have filmed some stuff.
Yeah, and that's every time. If I've only had one interaction with a police officer, and that was today. And he told me to walk away. I said okay, and I walked away.
Okay.
And then I went back to Ben's place where we were just meeting, and I sat there. So then cops showed up.
Gotcha.
It's literally the only involvement I've ever had with any police officer or anything.
All in one day.
Basically, yeah.
Right.
I've seen police officers and everything, and I know Ben been in contact with police officers, and that's literally all I.
Okay. When did you start filming for?
Monday was the first day that I ever filmed for him.
And what did you film on Monday?
What did we do Monday? Or no, sorry, it was Saturday, the first day.
Okay.
And basically it was just his little game plan of what he was going to do for the video.
And what did he say he was going to do for the video?
He wanted to do an investigative thing to try to get money back for his family for being ripped away for Legos, like money in Legos, over $200,000.
Okay.
And he had these things planned out.
Gotcha.
And I said I don't want to be involved in any legal things, so.
Okay. And here you are.
Yeah. I literally walked up and I asked, hey, I was here to meet up, and the police officer said, that's canceled, and I went, okay, and then I turned around and walked away.
Gotcha.
And that's what he told me to do.
Okay. Sounds good. If you want to step back in there, and then just give me a second. We're probably going to cut you loose here in a second, though, okay?
Okay.
Just give me 1 second, though, okay?
Yeah.
Step right back in here.
If you do need footage of that interaction, I do have it. It's back at the Airbnb.
Okay. Yeah, I'll see what I need. I don't know yet.
Thank you.
Okay.
How long do you think it will be?
I have no idea.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You doing okay?
I just want to let my wife know where I'm at. That's about it.
Okay.
Just let her know if that's all.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too much longer, though, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Hello, are you Sierra?
Yes.
Come on out here and then come sit down. So my name is Detective, you just want to take a seat? My name is Detective Nicosia. I work here at the police department. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Sounds like this is a big, long case, and I'm just trying to figure out what you know and what you were asked to do.
Okay.
What can you tell me?
Okay, so I can tell you everything.
Yeah, that'd be great.
So, I heard about this case in Oregon about a Lego shop that stole this man's Star Wars collection because he was trying to sell it through this Lego place because they take your items and then they sell it for you and then give you the money for it. that store was took over by the owner, is what I was hearing. And he just wouldn't really give that collection back to this man. It's like a $200,000 collection. I've heard that they won the court case over there in Oregon, so that now there's a warrant out for his arrest soon, hopefully. Let's see. So I was asked on Tuesday is when I was started being involved in all of this. Tuesday, I know Ben from YouTube. Let's see, he needed someone, like a third party, he didn't know, to serve some papers to this man. And yeah, we drove over there with the papers ready. We had sort of like a sign to get him to come outside so we can serve him, but he would just call the cops on us instead. So that's where like this, like I think the stalking charge came in and stuff like that.
Okay. And then, so you were asked to serve the papers because you're an unknown party.
Yes.
My understanding is correct. Okay. What about today? Because we're here today. That happened yesterday, but we're here today. So what can you tell me about today?
So when we were talking to the cops yesterday, they told us to like find a different way to do this. So we asked like a neighbor if we could use their fence to post like a sign up there. And so we did that. And it was like, we started a GoFundMe before this. Sorry, I'm ADHD, my memories are kind of...
No, you're fine.
Okay. We started a GoFundMe for the man who lost his entire collection, because it was like a $200,000 collection from what I'm hearing. And that picture was the sign on our GoFundMe. And we were kind of just like fundraising it. It was a stunt we were pulling. We were gonna videotape the sign, stuff, put it on YouTube, trying to get like people to donate to the GoFundMe essentially. Gotcha.
Okay. And whose idea was all of today's activities?
It was kind of just a group project, I guess.
Okay.
Yesterday when he didn't get served, one of the cops took the papers trying to serve this guy, but he didn't get served. The papers got brought back to us. Where was I going with this? Oh my gosh. What was the last thing we were talking about? I'm sorry.
Group project. You were talking about that was a group project.
Yes. So, he just didn't like serve him the papers that he needed to serve him.
Gotcha.
Yeah, today we put up the sign. We went back to the Airbnb like before you guys came and put us in handcuffs. And we were trying to figure out, like, one of the cops told us that we could call like a deputy and see if we could get him to serve the papers for us. So we were just trying to figure that out, essentially.
Okay. So
like starting from Tuesday, like I was involved, like I care about this, so.
Okay. So you guys, group project, obviously Ben was behind the GoFundMe idea as well, right? Doing the poster on the neighbor's house.
I don't know whose idea that was, because I kind of just started, I think they...
But he was supportive of it as his channel, right? He said, oh yeah, let's do this for the channel. From my understanding?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And then, sounds like there was something that happened in Orem today too? Were you down with them? Were you with Ben and I think Sheldon in Orem today?
In Orem, I don't know. Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes, I was.
Tell me about that one.
Oh, that's the one with the Lego store, right?
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we went in there to kind of ask if they pay like a licensing fee to Lego, because I think the owner said they did, but then they reached out to Lego and Lego says that they don't pay them a licensing fee. So we were just trying to figure out if the stores pay a licensing fee to Lego. That's all we were trying to figure out.
Okay. All right, but you were there with Ben and Sheldon, right?
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, we were kicked out of the store immediately.
And you guys left immediately then?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think I pulled up like directions on my phone before we drove away.
Okay, gotcha. But the whole purpose, from your understanding with the Lego store, was to just talk to them about the corporate issues.
Yes.
It wasn't to find another employee or try to serve papers to the other employee.
No, we were just trying to find out information about the company.
The corporate stuff.
Yes.
Okay, good to know. I'm gonna have you step back in there. We should be almost done here, and then we'll cut you loose here in a second. But just if you want to step back in there, I gotta talk
Could I have
to.
my inhaler, perchance? It's in a green bag.
Do you know where the green bag is?
I couldn't see them put it up back here. Was he there?
Yeah, if you want to step in there, and I will get your inhaler. Or do you need it like right this second, or are you just?
I'm pretty stressed.
Okay, I can get that. Yeah, let me get it for you. And then I'll be back with you, okay? I do have to shut this for now, though, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Green bag. Let's see a green bag. Gosh dang it. Hey, green bag?
I love you.
Bye.
Sierra's green bag?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Does she need her inhaler?
She needs her inhaler. Fuck. Is it right here? It's right here. Joshua! It's right here. It's right here.
She wants her inhaler. Should be right there.
Yeah, I got it.
Sorry, I didn't think I had it in here.
No,
This
she's
is her stuff.
good. She just said
Sorry,
she.
Cole, thank you.
Yeah, she's not dying or anything. She's just like, can I get that?
She's probably freaking out.
Yeah, she's a little stressed. I don't blame you.
Okay. Sorry, dude.
Oh, you're fine.
I didn't know if you brought that
Is this it? With the little bear on the back?
Yes. Thank
Perfect.
you.
Yep. You can just keep it because we don't want you to
Okay,
have an
thank you
issue.
so much.
Stupid door. Alright, I got one more guy I gotta talk to. Yep. Didn't forget about you.
Thank you so much.
What was your name?
Tyler?
Tyler.
Yeah.
Come on over here, and there's a chair. I'm gonna have you sit down, and we're gonna.
Right here?
No, you can sit right there. I don't care. So I'm Detective Nicosia. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with
Yeah.
everything, right?
Yeah.
What can you tell me?
Cool. Do you want to have me start from like the very beginning?
Absolutely. The
Okay,
more
I
I
guess-
know, the more I know, the better.
Okay, cool. So I know Ben from like a few years ago actually. I was his cameraman for like a video where he like gave away like a $10,000 like prize. I hit him up on Instagram. I was his cameraman, and since then I've worked with him a couple of times. He messaged me not too long ago saying, "Hey, I'm flying out to Utah. Are you still in Utah?" And I was like, "Yeah, I am." And so he was like, basically, there's like this crook that lives near your area. Is there any way you'd help me do like an investigative video on him? We already beat him in a lawsuit in Oregon. I'm sure we'll win another one in Utah, is basically what he's saying. And it sounded like a great project to me. I was like, okay, like it's for a good cause. It's like somebody who like did something wrong, and like we could help this family that got their life savings basically taken from them, and hopefully everything just ends in a good, positive way, right? That's like the hope. So since he flew in here, I drove for him because he forgot his license in California. So I drove him from the airport to here. I've just been his driver Sunday and Monday. And then after Monday night, I got pulled over because they had sent like a guy up to Josh's house. And that guy rode in my car, and so they pulled me over. And
Was this the duck or the church incident?
there was a church. I don't know about the church incident.
Was this the duck one?
I didn't even know about a duck incident either.
Okay.
So this was like some kid who dressed up as like a Mormon missionary.
Yeah, this is the church incident. Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah. So I didn't know if it was like at a church or not.
Okay.
But
Sorry, I should have clarified.
Yeah, sorry. So he went up to the guy's house. He knocked on the door. Was like, "Hey, I'm from the second ward, whatever." And I guess the cops were called. But we didn't actually drive him there. His buddies did. Like the kid who was in the church outfit. His buddies did, but the buddies got scared when they saw the police and they drove off. So then I went to go pick him up, and because I picked him up, then the cops pulled me over.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, and the cops pulled me over. They said I looked like a druggie, and so they got me out of the car and made me do like a sobriety test. And I passed the sobriety test like easily because I've never done a drug in my entire life. Like Tylenol is like the most I've ever done. And then they were like, well, I could still see it in your eyes. So then they got a canine unit, and apparently the canine unit sniffed something out. And so then they searched my car, but then they didn't find anything, so they just let me go.
Okay.
And that was like a super scary experience. So I went home and I texted my mom. I'm like, I don't think I want to film this video anymore, but Ben still wants my help because I've like done filming and editing for him. So I've been going to his Airbnb and just transferring footage from cameras because I film with my cameras, just helping him transfer footage. But today, I wasn't out and about with him at all today because I don't want to be arrested. I don't want to do anything. I saw Ben got arrested yesterday. We ended up bailing him out. And I was like, I don't want any part of this. So I literally told my mom, because my mom was pretty worried. And I told my mom, I was like, the only thing I'm willing to do is go to his house and help him edit. I don't want to go out with him. So I haven't been going out with them for a while. I just got off work at 5 today, and then I came straight to the Airbnb to help edit and transfer footage. And that was pretty much it.
Gotcha. So you weren't with him. The last time you were with him was.
The last time I went out like to Josh's neighborhood was Monday night when I got
That was
pulled over.
the missionary.
The missionary incident. And since then, I was like, I literally called my mom right after that, and I was like.
But you just came over today to his Airbnb to help
around 5 o'clock. Yeah.
to help transfer video and help
just edit and stuff like that.
Okay, gotcha.
But
I don't think I have any questions for you at this time.
okay.
Do you have any questions for me so far? Okay. Well, if you step back in here, I should be wrapped up here in a second.
Okay, cool.
And then, yeah, we'll probably cut you loose from there, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.